Welcome, young scientists. Get ready because today's explainer is going to be absolutely packed with discovery. We are tackling the ultimate scientific mystery, one you've probably wondered about. How do we actually know if something is alive? Well, let's figure it out together.
So, think about this for a second. How do you know if a rock is alive? I mean, really, we can't just guess, right? To solve this puzzle, we actually need some very specific scientific rules to figure out the exact difference between living and non-living things. And to help us crack this case, let's meet our brilliant lead scientist. Meet Amber. As you can see, she is a bright red dragon wearing a crisp white lab coat, and she is so ready to guide us through her totally awesome anime-style laboratory. Come on in, let's start our discovery. Section 1. What do living things need? Okay, let's dive into this. This is the very first major category of our checklist, the things living objects absolutely must have. Living things have three super big necessities. First up, water. They need it to stay hydrated and keep their bodies working. Second is food, because that gives them the energy to move and grow. And third, air. Yep, they gotta breathe. Without water, food, and air, living things simply cannot survive. This is our fundamental scientific baseline. Let's put this to the test, shall we? Imagine a playful, bouncy little puppy on one side and a shiny metal toy robot on the other. That puppy is going to eagerly lap up water from its bowl and gobble down its food, right? Because it's alive. But that metal toy robot, it doesn't need to drink a single drop of water or eat a crumb of food. It just needs batteries. So that is a huge clue for us. Section 2. How do living things act? You see, living things don't just need things, they also do things. The first really big action is that living things grow. Just think about a tiny little seed buried deep in the dirt. With enough water and sunlight, it pushes right through the soil and gets bigger and bigger over time until it becomes a massive, towering tree. That's the rule. If something is alive, it naturally grows and changes its shape and size as time goes by. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how living things respond to changes around them. Take this incredible mimosa plant, for example. When you gently touch its leaves, it literally instantly folds them up and droops away. No way, right? It is actually feeling the touch and reacting to its environment. Living things absolutely always respond to what is happening outside of them. Finally, living things reproduce. Now, that's just a big, fancy scientific word that means they make more living things of the exact same kind. Animals have babies, and plants drop seeds onto the ground to grow brand new baby plants. This is the whole shebang that ensures their species keeps going and going. Section 3. The alive or not summary. So, the crucial point is, we've completed our checklists, and now we are ready to review our findings right here in Amber's lab. All right, here is your final summary checklist. Read it out loud with me. Number 1, living and non-living things are all around us. Number 2, living things need water, food, and air. And number 3, living things grow, respond to changes, and reproduce. If you lock those 3 rules right into your brain, you'll always have a perfect mental map for solving our scientific mystery. So, now it's your turn to be the scientist. Take a look at your own environment. What living things can you find around you right now? Keep your eyes peeled, use your awesome new scientific skills to test if they are alive or not, and we'll see you next time on The Explainer.